Alright, I ordered a couple of these after I ordered a different brand with the sliders on the side, and I messed one of them up and broke it installing it. These have a little bit of a different interface when you're wiring it in. That was a little bit easier than wrapping the wire around the screw. I believe this sticks directly in. It works fantastic. Slides easy. Got some weight to it, and it dims your lights really great if you've got some good dimmable bulbs. Highly recommended, because if you put that on and you're in there and you want to be cozied up to your old lady or your boyfriend or your girlfriend's boyfriend, you just have a little romance, you put that thing down like that, put on you some Conway Twitty music, and your night is set, baby!
Yeah, Burglar? But we're gonna need you to move aside. This yarn is coming with us. Yeah, you can't just take people's stuff.
You mean like this?
Oh, did it myself.